All right, my people, welcome back. Breaking news. Good news. Well, onto this court-free Sunday Igboho'S 8, meaning court has granted bail to Sunday Igboho'S 8. Well, there's a lot of happiness in the house. All right, and then according to the passage, it says Justice Obiora Egwatu of the Federal High Court in Abuja has ruled that the detained 12 associates of the advocates for Yoruba Nation Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, be granted bail immediately. All right, and then onto this, Justice Egwatu, after entertaining arguments from lawyers to the applicant and the Department of State Services DSS that he's detaining them, ordered that they be released on bail. All right, applicant's lawyer Pelumi Olajengbesi had prayed the court to allow his client on bail, noting that they have been in DSS custody for over 30 days. All right, and then onto this, DSS lawyer Igboho'S said he was not opposed to the court granting bail to 8 of the detainees, but would oppose bail for the other 4 who were still being investigated in relation to their complicity in Igboho'S alleged arms stockpiling offense. All right, and this is what we have gathered so far. Well, Babele everywhere. See, I don't understand why they still want to hold down the other 4. What is going on in this country? Well, one thing for sure that we believe is they are just saying, they are just making noise. Definitely in no time this set of 4 will be released. Also, we are so sure of that. And then as it is right now, with what has been gathered, with what we have gathered so far, Chief Sunday Igboho and his associates are on the winning side. In fact, are on top of their games. All right, and then that is it. I know somebody will be like, oh my goodness, so these people then go escape them at last. Oh my god, oh shock, man. It shock you, Abi? It shock you? All right, continue. Well, it has been gathered that the bail was on Wednesday, given to this set of people. Well, on Wednesday, the 12 applicants were in court, and then Pelumi urged the judge to grant them bail. All right, and then according to what has been said, it has been said that the judge, however, demanded that the security agency must produce the applicant in line with the order of court. All right, and then on to this, it is said that on Wednesday, the 12 applicants were in court, and Pelumi urged the judge to grant them bail. Well, on the last adjourned date, the court ordered that we file our amendment, and then same has been done. Well, it is proper at this time to pray this honorable court to admit the applicant to bail. There will be no need to keep the applicant with the respondent. All right, and then onto this, in his reply, DSS counsel Awo said only 8 of the 12 applicants should be granted bail. Well, he urged that the other 4 persons were allegedly complicit in stockpiling ammunitions and that the DSS needed more days to interrogate them and subsequently charge them to court. All right, and then as it is, according to what has been stated, it says, my lord, on the issue of bail, we will not be opposing bail to the following applicant 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, and then this is because so far investigation conducted by the DSS revealed that the level of their involvement in the offense of arms stockpiling and other criminal activities are minimal, while the 4 applicants 212 6-5 have high level of complicity on their part. Well, he said the DSS was still investigating their involvement in crime. Well, Awo further contended that ammunitions were recovered from 4 of them and that they might run away like their leader, Igboho. Okay, and then as it is, he continued by saying that he also accused the family members of the applicant of attempting to influence the witnesses the DSS was planning to bring to court. Well, they said Sunday Igboho, who is the leader of the applicant, is currently standing criminal trial in Benin Republic. Well, my lord, he was declared wanted by the service, but rather than turning himself in, he decided to leave this country. Well, my lord, there is no guarantee that these 4 applicants will not follow suit. Well, according to him, he continued by saying that, my lord, there are credible information on how friends, family, associates with these 4 applicants are making contacts with potential witnesses identified by the DSS. They have started pressurizing some of them not to turn in the event that they will be tried. We strongly believe that these 4 applicants who are still needed for further investigation will jeopardize ongoing investigation if released. It is our submission that once investigation is concluded, the respondent will not hesitate to charge them to court. We urge your lordship to refuse bail to these isolated 4 applicants, he said. All right, and then meanwhile, Awu also made an oral application to further detain the persons since the earlier court order it obtained had elapsed, but Pelumi prayed the court to discountenance the submission of the respondents, adding that the law stated that anyone arrested should be produced in court within 24 hours. My lord, it took the order of this court for the respondents to allow even the legal representatives to meet with them. My lord, after 34 days in the respondent's detention, the applicant should have been charged. To continue to keep the applicant with the respondent will amount to an affront to our constitution and a violation of their fundamental human rights. The position of the court is that investigation cannot be identified, and then as it is, it cannot be indefinite. The respondent's allegations is not before this court in form of any charge. We pray this court to admit all the 12 applicants on bail unconditionally, as the respondent has not shown any charge or reasonable intention to prosecute this matter, he said. Well, and then meanwhile, the applicant should be allowed to go in peace and enjoy the benefit of the Constitution, and we shall ensure on our part as legal practitioners that a reasonable surety will ensure that the applicant will be available, he added. Well, after taking note of their argument, Justice Igboho'S ruled that the 12 applicants be granted bail. No doubt, the administration of bail is at the discretion of the court. It is clear that no charge has been preferred against the applicant, and they have been kept in detention for 34 days. All right, and then as it says, and I quote, I grant bail to the 8 applicants in sum of 5 million naira with surety, he said. For the 4 other applicants, he ruled that the DSS had no charge against them, thereby granting them 10 million naira bail with 2 sureties. Well, he said one of the surety must be a civil servant, not below grade 12, and then must reside in Abuja. All right, the fear by the respondent has not been linked to the 4 applicants and then has not been captured in the affidavit by the DSS. For 25126 applicants, since no charge has been filed, bail is granted to them in sum of 10 million naira and then surety. Well, each of the respondents shall report at the office of the respondent for 3 months every first day, he said. The applicants are to remain in DSS custody pending perfection of their bail conditions. All right, names of the applicants are Abdulateef Ademola Onolapo, Hamudat Abibat Babatunde, Tajuddin Irinloye, Diekola Jubril Ademola, Habidin Shitu, Jamiu Noah Oyetunji Ayobami Donald, Uthman Okpeyemi Adelabu, Olakunle Oluwapelumi, Raji Kazim, Taiwo, Okpeyemi, Tajuddin, Bamidele, Sunday. All right, my people, and then that has been it on this one. A lot have been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks. always.